Hello, MA1015. This is a word from your instructor, brought to you by your very own instructor, Dr. Deb. During week 2, we covered chapters 4 and 5, which were about algebra, rates and ratios, and proportions. In life, we frequently need to compare quantities and translate ordinary words to algebraic notation. In doing so, we make problem solving much easier. Throughout this module, you have learned how to solve equations by using mathematical models to represent real-life problems. Additionally, you have worked with variables to find values for unknown information. As you work to solve problems, you have learned to define variables and constants, distinguish between ratios, rates, and proportions, and perform mathematical operations. More importantly, you have familiarized yourself with writing equations, isolating variables, and verifying solutions. Here are some career fun facts. For recent graduates, initial job placement is critical for developing on-the-job skills and future career successes. Recent graduates make up 72% of the workforce as compared to those persons without a diploma or a degree. Did you know how important it is to be able to understand rates, ratios, and proportions? As you can see from our career fun fact, 72%, or 72 out of 100 people in the workforce, now have a degree. This is a ratio based on the number of 100. We use rates, ratios, and proportions every day. In everyday life, we are constantly making use of these kinds of comparisons, whether we are shopping at the grocery store and looking for the best value by comparing the price, or looking for the best interest rate on a car loan, or trying to figure out our own BMI, body mass index, to see how it compares to the national average for our average age and gender. What other ways have you used rates, ratios, and proportions? Have you thought about that? As always, if you have questions, comments, or concerns, please attend my office hours on Thursdays or email me to set up an appointment that works better for you. Get ready for a great week 3 as we begin to learn about converting decimal and fractions to percentages, solve equations using percentages, and use positive and negative numbers. This is the real fun stuff in math, and even if you struggled with these concepts before, I am sure you will do well, as I am here to help you. Please let me know if you need help with anything at all.